The other recommendation that we made is to engage in social distancing, as Gil had mentioned earlier. That means keeping a distance of 2 meters or more from the nearest person. We know that COVID-19 is transmitted by droplet, and those droplets can travel, we believe, about 1 meter. And so the recommendation from the Public Health Agency of Canada is really a 2-meter travel distance to be safe. Although, again, the science behind all of this is developing, and we'll see if that changes in the future. But that 2-meter distance really does mean that if you're in an enclosed space, you should not be in a group of 10 or more people. And you would argue that you probably shouldn't be in any sort of group at all. And so what we've recommended is that you should really be canceling group events, as unfortunately Crohn's and Colitis Canada has had to do for the next months, and hold all meetings that you possibly can virtually. If you can stay at home, please stay at home. If you can work and do your job from home, that is the best thing to do. Avoid people who are sick, obviously. I think that's quite obvious. You don't know whether they have COVID-19 or whether they have some other infection, flu, or the common cold. Most people have it very mild, so please avoid people who are sick completely. And then don't engage in physical contacts with any other people, especially if they're sick, but really whether they're sick or not. Good hand hygiene has been stressed as the number one way that we can avoid transmission of COVID-19 and the virus that causes COVID-19. So wash your hands with soap and water regularly and often, with all social contact before meals, after meals, in between, and wash them for at least 40 seconds. We've all heard the song, singing happy birthday twice should be enough, as long as you're scrubbing in between your fingers and everywhere else. Use hand sanitizer if soap and water is not available, that it contains at least 60% alcohol. Avoid touching your face and your eyes, and cough into your sleeve and not into your hands.